people have problems with the Dodge trucks from 94 to 2001. When you run your air conditioning, it leaks inside the cab. This is the tube where it drains from the evaporator on the inside of the truck to bring the water outside. The hole that's cut into the metal body is bigger than this tube. And on the inside of the truck, there's just a rubber mat that lays up against it. It doesn't actually come through and seal. So the water drips back and goes into the cab and it'll flood the cab out. I just got a tube of blue gasket material from AutoZone covered around that hole where the water's not able to go back into the cab. Dripping out fine, no problems with wet floor anymore.